This is Michael and this is Jessica. They are both looking for a driving instructor. Michael decides to go to one of the national brands. After all, it's a big, well-known company with loads of learner drivers. He just assumes all driving instructors are the same, so finding the cheapest one is all that matters, right? Michael doesn't bother to read customer reviews. Jessica, on the other hand, decides to look into all the options available to her, and she soon discovers that the cheapest or biggest driving schools may not be the cheapest after all. Michael has no idea of his driving school's test passes in his area. Jessica checks out her instructor's website to find out. She makes sure her instructor is able to give a firm commitment to provide regular weekly lessons. Michael has to rush home to meet his instructor. He fits him in with hourly lessons. Jessica gets picked up from outside her college. She makes sure she's able to book 2-hour lessons so she can learn faster. Jessica's research pays off and she passes her driving test first time. Michael sadly fails his driving test and has to go to the extra expense of more lessons and a retest. He becomes one of the 30% of learner drivers who change their instructor before passing their test. So, what's the difference between Michael and Jessica? Simple. Jessica checked out her driving instructor thoroughly. She made sure her instructor had a high first-time pass rate, starting at a convenient location and time, and sometimes she took 2-hour lessons so she could learn faster. She realised that the cheapest lessons are not always as cheap as they seem. Michael just assumed all driving instructors are the same, so he chose the cheapest and expected the best, and ended up paying more and took longer to pass his test. Contact us today. You'll find we tick all the right boxes. 1. High first-time pass rates. 2. Convenient regular lessons. 3. 2-hour lessons available for faster learning. 4. A written code of conduct. 5. Real value for money. 6. Friendly, committed instructors. 7. Great lessons. 8. Prices that won't break your budget.